You can also get other products that you like in the 1, 2, or 3 months. So like, for instance, I don't use the Mega Mucosa every day, but probably every other day, to be honest. I love it. This is like my true confession. I love to drink tea, but it thins your mucosa lining. And I can feel it. Like, it's astringent for your gut. So I'll literally have like a cup of tea and a cup of Mega Mucosa.
Right.
They like balance each other out. It's silly, but it's just a product I like. Or if anything feels irritated, I'm taking my Mega Mucosa. The MegaIgG, when do I take that? A little bit more, like if something's a little bit more off, like feels like I ate something funny. I love that product too. The MegaPre tastes really, really good. And it, again, you can kind of take that regularly along with the MegaSpore to feed the beneficial strains. It's a great way to get some extra fiber that's well tolerated and well studied with all Kiran's
And
research.
that's and those are all selected specifically to increase the growth of the Keystone strains, which you're going to write a
Oh,
blog
nice.
about. Yeah, so that's the key.
Note to self.
Um, yeah. And those Keystone strains are very sensitive to things like antibiotics and antimicrobials that you find in foods for as preservatives, glyphosate, the Roundup stuff, the active ingredient. Those things really devastate your Keystone strains. And so the whole idea behind the MegaPre is having these specific oligosaccharides that have been clinically shown in published studies to dramatically increase the growth of Keystone strains. And we published a study last year where we showed when you combine the MegaSpore with the MegaPre, you actually see almost 1,000-fold increase in the growth of
Wow.
Keystone strains, right? Massive. And that was in 3 weeks. And about a 30% increase in the diversity of your microbiome. So real significant shift in that ecosystem in your garden, if you will.
Wow.
The other thing that we use a lot with the MegaPre, that we use the MegaPre for a lot is with your kids, because kids' diets are atrocious. I know even my kids' diets are
That's a
atrocious,
great idea.
right?
Oh,
Yeah,
that's,
it's
yeah.
so
It's
important
hard
to
to get
get
them to
that
eat
in them.
fiber. Anything that has fiber,
Totally.
they reject.
Totally, they reject, and I mean they just don't eat well to begin with. And this is a great time when they're younger to get those Keystone strains up and get them established as part of their permanent microbiome, especially in the first 7 to 9 years of life, where the microbiome is semi-permanent. It's still tenuous. That's a great time to start really hammering them with things like oligosaccharides and spores to produce a more permanent microbiome. My kids take a minimum of 1 MegaSpore a day during certain times, like when rotavirus is going around or the flu season, they take two, or when we travel, they take higher doses at like two. But I get them the MegaPre every day. I give them each of them half a scoop on travel days when I take them overseas with me. Well, back in the day
Used
before
to.
the world ended. Yeah. We used to travel a lot overseas, and then at that point I give them a full scoop. But with the scoop, what we do both for adults and kids is we mix it in a bottle like this, like a shaker bottle, just 1 scoop or half a scoop. And you should start with a half a scoop, shake it up, and then just kind of sip it throughout the day, right? So this bottle around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock my time gets full with 1 scoop of Mega Mucosa and 1 scoop of MegaPre. And then this becomes my go-to, what I'm drinking the rest of the day.
Mm.
And you want to just kind of trickle in the dosing. And it makes a big difference, but get it into your kids. It's
Yeah,
such an
getting
important.
used to the fiber a little bit slowly. On this
Mhm.
earlier slide, Kieran, I was laughing that Mega Mucosa says does not mix well with coffee. I was like, yeah, it would not mix well. This one
It wouldn't
tastes, the
taste
Mega
right.
Mucosa is kind of horrible tasting, but you get used to it. I get used to it. The MegaPre tastes really quite
Yeah,
good.
and so what we found is when you combine the two, it tastes great. You
Okay.
know,
Yeah, I think
um,
we had that question this winter, and yeah, you can combine them. No
totally. Yeah.
harm. Just be sipping it. Preferably be sipping it. Yeah. So here's a little bit more about this. This is kind of a preview. We haven't even officially launched this, but if you join any subscription now, we'll roll you into all these. So we're doing these 6, what I'm saying here are Q&As, but actually we're like workshopping it, and we're gonna make them more like little lessons, like today Kieran did that great lesson on gut lining. So we're gonna do little lessons on like the most popular topics, plus take your questions. So we're trying to make it a little juicier. We're gonna do some quizzes for you. It's really a chance to work with me privately, and we'll do little case studies. So it'll be a lot of fun, and that starts in August. You get it, so you save money just on the subscription. If you hit $97, shipping is free. We will donate also 10% to this organization, Dream Corps, and they have this great campaign, Kiran, you'll like to hear about. It's in economically disadvantaged areas, it's also more polluted, generally speaking.